Right, I'm Anthony Marzano, and I'm the superintendent at Corewell Ludington Hospital. So we are building a healing garden, a cancer center, renovating their entire second floor, and adding a third floor for mechanical space on top of the existing hospital. Obviously, there's a lot going on. You know, we're running about 45 guys every day on the project. Joe and myself are out here every day working with them, and it's just a cool opportunity, and there's obviously a lot going on, so a lot to keep ourselves busy. So unique aspects. It's a 7-phased project working around all entirely active hospital patients and employees. So that presents its own challenges. And then obviously we're adding a third floor above a completely active hospital, which presents its own challenges as well. And I've worked in hospitals for most of my career so far, and you never know if a family member or someone that you know might have to go to that hospital, so it's always nice to work on something that could impact someone in your family. And then also it's nice for the community. You know, people of Ludington are really appreciative of what we're doing out here. We live out here during the week, so we get to interact with the locals, and everybody's always talking about what's going on at the hospital, so that's cool to hear.